Maya nimo mauma macungirira hari indo itiganite iria inyitikanite ikiendio guku bururi-ini ni Ruhonge rwa kuhurana na indo itakinyaniirie ikiro. Mihang'o eno iria tongoririo ni arugamirirĩa Ruhonge ruru makinyitanira na ministry ya iganda yanikire mwena wa thirive igitigirira indo cia muigana wa makiria ma ciringi mirioni 21 ni ciathukangio. Minister wa iganda Adan Mohamed ni ugite thirikari nene ni gutigirira maabitha makiria ni maheano kuri honge cia uthurimi wa ikiro wa Indo niguo kuhurana na ikinya manyitaga itemi ungumania-ini uyu.
Today I am announcing our desire and commitment to work with the IG of police and his people to assign at least 100 additional police officers, actually work with the anti-counterfeit agency so hard to make sure that at every corner of this country where potentially these goods are coming in, we will put the necessary roadblocks.
Naguo urugamiriri wa Ruhonge ruru utongoretio ni murugamiriri munene ele mahalake ni utaririo ria bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo kiuro ni mabilioni maingi ma besha.
The Kenya government is losing billions of shillings in form of taxes through the counterfeiting and counterfeiters who are not paying any legitimate taxes, and they are not investing anything into production of these goods.
Ningi halake ni akinyaniirie unyitaniri wa honge ngurani cia kibururi itemine ria kuhukia biashara eno ya ngungo.
We are going to strengthen our collaborations. That is an area which we are going to put in a lot of effort. Our collaboration with the consumers, the Kenyan public, collaboration with Kenya Association of Manufacturers, people in private manufacturing industry. We'll work with the intellectual property right owners. We'll work with government agencies.
Uhuthiri wa indo ici ni ugwetetwo gukorwo ri ugwati munene kuri ahuthiri na ahuri biashara na njira ya kumatwara hathara.
These counterfeit goods tend to fail very fast, so they cause risks of safety. If you fit them on a vehicle, they can cause accidents. If it's on a machine, you will lose production.
Adini ha Kameme TV, jitago Mbataru wa Mwangi.